Miocene to early Pleistocene. Terror bird mankind would never see. Fossils first found in Floridia's flowing rivers. Your discovery gave Waller and Allen shivers. You were fighters, not peace lovers or Thanksgivers. Northernmost and last of terror bird durations. 6-7 foot tall bird of the four-shafted nations. Stronger bones than an ostrich, see notations. Flightless but not fightless like other birds. America's most unwanted to be seen predators. Large cleaver like beak, slicing down, up, downwards. Titanis, terror bird supersized, like Greek giants mythologized. Round the Americas you terrorize, for assassination but upsized. A 10-foot predatory bird heathenized, by megafauna you were despised. Terrorist birds from sunset to sunrise, as most scientists have theorized. A Hollywood move counterclockwise, no 10,000 BC surprise. You never dehumanized, or never dehumanized. A lost terror enterprise, a lost terror enterprise. A lost terror enterprise. Titanis, one of 4 members of the terror birds, Forest Rossids. You, Kalenkin, Da Vincent, Zaya, Forrest, Hawkos had farewell bids. The Great American Interchange brought fights with placental kids. It was a survival of the fittest, predatory pandemonium. When dire wolves, smilodons, and American lions would come. On when, why, how you met your end, the word is mum. A few say Titanis lasted until 15,000 years ago, but rare earth elements seem to skew those numbers low. Most say your reign of terror ended 1,000,000 years or so. Flightless but not fightless like other extinct birds. America's most wanted did Ivy and Titanic predators. Your population went down, up, downward.